managed to wake up. It was very, very difficult for me to wake up, especially after that very long car drive. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of working us like mules out here. They're kind of working us like mules because, you know, we were over in Gilroy, and then now I'm back in Los Angeles, and then I have work at 5 p.m. So I have to work a 12-hour shift at 5 p.m. And I just got out of the dealership again and did the oil change. Everything's perfect on it. As you see, they retorted it, rotated the tires. Next time I have to go and get a servicing for it, and that's going to be about $1,000 just for the servicing, because they like change everything inside of whatever they do. It's whatever. Because when I go and I sell this truck, I'm gonna have all the paperwork. I actually just put it inside of my binder. I think I could show you. I have a nice little binder. I have a nice little blue binder. This is what I bring into the dealership of everything. So once I sell this truck, then I can get something like more expensive. As we can see over here in this general direction, my entire life is completely in shambles. But I did get all of this right here is all clean clothes, which is really, really nice. And I need to situate everything inside of my wardrobe right there. But the thing is, the wardrobe came off. So what I have to do right now is tape everything back to that thing. And I would permanently screw it in there, but I do have plans to get something new for the wardrobe. So I'm not gonna put it in there permanently yet. But the things are on the way. She needs some goddamn chicken. Oh man, I thought they were out of chicken. But they got a whole ass batch over there. I feel like cooking beef because it's too many processes. It's too many processes. It's big time for show. Not my best work, but it's way more organized. Ooh, man, this truck be ridiculous, man. Burn somebody. The rhythm is the bass. It's the Ingle Boy. In case if you guys are fully unaware, that's the donut that Iron Man was sitting that he was sitting inside of when he was getting all burnt up. Damn, apparently my freaking tape, my goddamn tape guy, fuck man, shit, bro. Like I didn't even hit no curbs or nothing. And yeah, I guess it's just time for the new one. Provider, but with zero. Hey, you goddamn Inglewood, baby. I'm so thirsty right now. I freaking ran out of water. I need water. Fucking Dwayne out here fucking selling this deal. Damn, I freaking seen a woman walk out literally like, because I need that one except like bigger. It's like a bigger version of that. I seen this woman literally walking out with the last two of them. It's like fucking $19, brother. Been waiting here for 53.5 years, bro. Every blink that goes by, you can literally visually see your life leaving you. You can see your time leaving you. Walmart numero dos guy. Look at that, brother. I came to a whole new Walmart, and it's the last one. I don't mean to be schizophrenic, but I think that bear is staring at me. I took a nap. I took a nap. That's one of my confessions for today. I'm pretty sure like the universe is kind of helping me right now, because my shift just got changed to 11 to 11, and it was supposed to be a 5 to 5. But out of nowhere, since I started like doing stuff, my shift got changed to 11. Can't park there, bro. You gotta go ahead. You gotta move along, brother. Ridiculous, brother. I got a goddamn lot of work I gotta do right now. Too tall. It's way too tall. So I have to like take out the middle one, and then I'm gonna take this super glue. I'm gonna glue it together. I'm gonna spray them nice. I'm gonna spray them good. Whoa! All right, now I can go ahead and buy me some new clothes, bro. I just realized this is all trash. I I lost my spool thing. I had like an extension cord of like a spool, and I misplaced it. Dude, the brake checked me, bro. Yeah, we back, man. Yo, it's getting dark, my guy. I remember when they repoed my car, there was like a couch sitting out there, and that's why I slept that night. What we got going on over here is, of course, I put that hook on the top, and it is screwed. It's nice and screwed into the top, so it's not gonna come off, because like when I started experimenting with like having a hook up there, because this hook is extra most necessary. It's extra most necessary because I need it there to hang up my wet towel, and it needs to be dry every single day. So I put that hook up there so I can hang up my my towel, and then this is now permanently screwed in. If we look at these massive screws, I was so worried that it wasn't gonna be able to, this thing needs to slide in and out. It needs to like slide in and out, and I thought these screws were going to blockade it, but nope, it didn't get in the way at all. If we see, I went ahead and buried it. I went ahead and sunk it down in there far enough, like far enough so it doesn't stop it, and now the drawer can slide in without the screws stopping them. And then also, if we notice, I didn't use the washers. I did not use the washers simply because I thought I was gonna have to use them, but turns out that I don't have to use them at all, because these screws, bro, these screws are freaking massive. And if we just go ahead and just pull, on this thing, man, that thing is as sturdy as it needs to be, because like I just showed you guys, the smaller one, it just kept falling off, and that was because I had it taped on. And the reason why I had it taped on is because I knew I was eventually going to move back up so I can get more clothes. So I can get more clothing. Maybe I need to get like another divider like this for the socks now, and I can be able to afford that with the room that I have now, which is absolutely amazing. And I'm very excited for my future, because I'm going to change. I'm gonna like you know, in a few months I'm gonna change from these tank tops to a different shirt, because the reason why like I wear the tank tops is because the shirts that I had in the past were kind of like suffocating my arms. So now I have the tank tops so they don't suffocate my arms, but now the tank tops are a little bit too big. It's an evolution, brother. It's an evolution, but we need to go ahead, head down to the car wash, my guy. Oh, before we head over there, also, I'm gonna put those there, like literally, like those will just fall off right now. But later on tonight when I'm working, I'm gonna take out the super glue, and then I'm going to glue them kind of like that, or probably just like that. I'm gonna super glue them just like that, and then when my truck is nice and stable and I can just, you know, sit there and do the security stuff and do all that, then it could dry, and then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right there. Such a waste of money, dude. It's ridiculous. Driver's side, passenger side. It's fucking disgusting, bro.
Now you have truly reached.
I mean, there was literally no reason for dude to goddamn brake check me damn so freaking hard, bro. It made all of my damn stuff just go and fly and take flight over that way, deep down into the passenger's abyss. Very nice, brother, very nice. I'm gonna lay down for a quick nap, guy. I'm gonna take a real quick nap before work. But I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. New videos every single day at 5 a.m. Woo! I am up from my big boy nap, and I am headed to work. And that is insane, bro. I literally I just transferred money from one account to the other because I need money, bro. And as soon as that fucking wire just dropped for fucking money, bro, from my company, bro, and I'm getting excited. I'm getting horned up, dude.
I command you to make me a sandwich.
What? No one commands the Ice King to make no sandwich.